select the appropriate hole or slot pattern for the ceiling tile. Cut or drill holes for the Ethernet cables and mounting hardware. Place the flat surface of the flush mount against the ceiling tile. Attach the flush mount to the ceiling tile with appropriate bolts, washers, and nuts. Pass Ethernet cables through the tile and the flush mount. Provide enough cable length to allow the anchor node to be removed and disconnected. Plug Ethernet cables into the connectors on the anchor node. Align the anchor node backplate with the threaded bosses in the flush mount. Twist to adjust as needed and press them together. Attach the anchor node to the flush mount with the captive screws. Use a T20 drive set to 0.68 Nm or 6 inch-pounds of torque.